What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP's Audio Zero. Hey, I know it's been a minute since the last time I put an update video, but I got another one for you on the one Loud Grand Marquis. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Last time I think we left off with doing the body work for the cabin to get it ready for paint. Well, we got it painted now, and that whole fire. So what we had to do first is tape up all of my wood grains so when they coat the whole inside cabin, they don't mess up none of my pops of green. And that's what these first couple pictures are going to be right now. And then right after that gets done curing and drying like how it's supposed to, and then you can see how that green is popping on the arc. So if you guys remember from the last video, that top part of the arc is actually welded in, so that's a part of the car right now, but that bottom part is removable for a couple different reasons. So on that front baffle, if I ever want to change those subs out or if one of them gets blown, I shouldn't have an issue to where I need to remove the whole front loading wall to get those tins out. But if I ever wanted to upgrade to a different set of tins that may perform good in that enclosure, we can remove that loading wall and put those in without no problem. So with that being said, the bottom part of that loading wall had to be coated and cleared separately outside of the vehicle. While all that stuff is curing and all of that, we still got more paint work to do. Y'all remember my braces that we had? They were already primed in the last video. We went ahead and painted those the exact same color as the car. And just to be on the safe side, they didn't want what they coated on the interior cabin to be slightest of a shade darker or different than everything else. So we taped up everything that had that same tan bed liner on it and then resprayed the entire car just to make sure that everything matches 100%. And last but not least, with everything put back together, they literally brought my rendering to a reality. The outside of my car is painted Kelly green. The seats that I have in my car is tan with Kelly green stitching. And now the interior cabin of the vehicle is that tan textured bed liner with a lot of pops of Kelly green. We got Kelly green braces, we got a Kelly green wood grain wood baffles that's going to hold the subs, and then we have my Kelly green arc from the top to the bottom loading wall. Everything is exactly how I wanted it to be. Like, I couldn't ask for it to look any better than what it already does. This vehicle is going to be a showstopper from front to back and inside and out. And I almost forgot one little small detail. There's going to be an acrylic window on each side so you can get a demo from the outside of the car looking in the back. And there's going to be 1 inch acrylic, one on each side. And my boy Michael didn't like the raw metal look on the inside, and he knew I wouldn't either, so he went ahead and blacked all that out so we don't have to worry about it. So next, that's going to get pre-drilled and bolted in to be more towards completion, and I just can't thank y'all enough, man. So even though I'm ready for the build to come back home, still a lot of stuff that I got to get done to it. I got to do some engine work, I got to do exhaust work, I got to do suspension work, I got to do some other interior work like put the tablet dash in, I got to wire up the amps, I got to get batteries, I got to do a big 3 upgrade, I need to get an alternator, and I got to put wheels on it. And I guess that'll be my next question for y'all. What y'all think, 24s or 26s? I know it's going to be extremely heavy. I'm probably adding like an extra 1,500 to 2,000 pounds worth of weight, and I will be driving it to some shows, so 4s seem a little bit more practical, but this car ain't practical. So I don't know, I really want to put 26s on it though. I don't know, y'all tell me. Either way, man, I'm gonna keep this going too long, but that's gonna be it for this build update. I'm telling you, we at the finish line, man. We'll probably have maybe 1 or 2 more updates before that thing comes home, but I plan on having it here by my birthday. My birthday is gonna be May 16th, and they just already guaranteed that I can have it by then. So till next time, this your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day.